I got my hands on these, so let's unbox this. I think they come with 4. I'm not sure, but it feels like there are more than one in here. These are all the selections. There's only 2 that I really do not want, which is like this salmon one right here. And then the other one I don't want is this onigiri one. It doesn't look as cute. So it does come with 4. Okay. This one. Wait, why is my luck so bad? Okay, I'll open the second next one. The little crab guy. So cute. There's one. Oh my god. Little shrimpy. And the last one. Oh my god. Okay, these are so cute. Second pack. Oh my god, it's so cute. The banana. Okay. The world just hates me. Oh my god, wait, this one's so cute. The banana bread. Or not banana bread, but the bread. And this is the very last one. A tamago. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, these are all the little guys I got. So I got a tamago. 2 of the ones I did not want. Out of all of the ones I could have gotten. There are so many. Oh well. But then I got the shrimpy, a crab, sausage, banana, and a bread one.
Welcome to Co-op. Please scan your first item. Please take the bag, area, and digital.
I just bought my ingredients. I'm preparing for I'm having a picnic with some friends later, so I bought cake mix and some marshmallows. I think I'm gonna do s'more themed cupcakes. And then I bought avocado for my drink. I was trying to find strawberries, but they were sold out. And the only things left were some really shriveled up strawberries. But yeah. picnic on Friday. Today is Wednesday, but I'm gonna make these cupcakes now because I have time. This video is kind of all over the place. I'm thinking this vlog is more of like a reset day for me because I've just finished school. So I'm just gonna take it chill for like about a week or so before I start job hunting and like finding a second job because as you guys know, or if you guys follow my channel, I travel for work, but I only do that so often where it's like not enough money where I might need to find a second job. So, and I'm thinking I should probably find a job related to my degree since I'm basically graduated. I just don't get to walk the stage until November because I'm taking, I think it's fall convocation that I'm doing. So yeah, it feels like I'm not graduated, but I am because I'm done all my required classes and I just need to register to graduate. But yeah, let's make these cupcakes. Powder. Oh, I need to get a bowl. I always don't know if I should crack it on the table or the bowl. To the table. One egg. 2 egg. Eggs. Oil. Of oil. The cupcakes are done and I'm gonna put them in the oven. I'm thinking if I should use just a whole marshmallow and then toast it now, or maybe I think I should toast it now for some color on the cupcake when it's ready, and then I think I'll bring like a torch or something so that I can like kind of re-torch it during the picnic. But yeah. Okay, my cupcake. I take a cracker and then crack it so I get like a shape, and I stick it into the cupcake like this. I turn on the stove and then I toast the marshmallow on here. Because we don't have a gas stove, this is the only way I can really toast it. And it kind of makes a nice color. I use the scissors to take off the marshmallow. And then as gently as possible. Oh god. This one kind of turned scuffed, but it's okay. And bam! A chocolate s'more themed cupcake because I don't have icing. These are my cupcakes. They're kind of ugly, not gonna lie. I should have put icing, but I thought it would be too sweet too since I don't have it, but yeah. And then these ones I have not toasted. Oh my god, this cracker looks really sad. But I'm gonna get a torch to torch these ones because it was kind of really hard to do it on my stove, but yeah. I remember last time I did this, I did it too slowly, so I need to go fast. I have layered this on so thick.